Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is Sunday, and it's cloudy, and it's cloudy, and it's warm. Nah, it's hot, humid. Okay, but that's my bees on the front. This is hive number 30 303 and a half. Smoking getting in my face. And we're going to check them out today to see how they're doing. Got that many bees up in the front, so we're probably going to put another box on them. Supposed to have an unmarked queen in there. Get my unmarked queen marker. Well, I guess she'll be unmarked again. Take them down there. Okay. Take their feeder off, which is empty. Take their water dish off, which is empty. They need that water, people, to keep that hive cool, make honey, feed the babies. I know some people say, you talk a lot about water. You ever try to live without it? Well, I've been thirsty before. Now I'm talking about you didn't have any. Talking like that, say I've been there, done that. Wasn't fun. So I make sure my girls have got water. Or close by anyway. I've got buckets scattered around in the shade for the bees. Okay, here's the box that we're probably going to be putting them in. Y'all have seen that box before, I'm sure. Okay. We're going to smoke the bees down just a little bit here. Get them off this edge so we don't roll any of them. People, I can't get to, did y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a little granddaddy longlegs. It's about 1.5 inches long. Come on. There you go. And yes, we have those around here too. We got big ones too. She's over here now on my left on the next box. Yes, and they will eat a bee. And that little one might not. This one here has brood, larvae, pollen, probably some eggs in there. So we're going to put it here for the time being. We got 5 frames over here. But we're going to see what's in here first. This one here's got brood, pollen, larvae, eggs, this one here has the same thing. Did I show y'all that one? There we go. There's that one. Bottom looks good. We're going to go ahead and take this and put it back over here too. And I'll show you the one that was on the side. And that's the first one that we took out. It's got eggs and larvae and all that good stuff on it. People ask me about swarms. Will bees swarm this time of the year? Yes. Actually, they were asking me, can you make splits this time of the year? Yeah. The bees can do it. If the bees making splits and making queen cells, they're trying to tell you something. This one here is loaded down with brood. And eggs and larvae, little honey. This one here, same thing. You see, they're loaded up. Tell you what I'm going to do. People, I make splits this time of year. The bees make splits this time of the year. So, get one of my, I catch a bee with that. Put her in another nuke. Put her in queen catcher. See, now this one doesn't have any drones, so I wouldn't be really worried about them swarming right now, but they'll do it in a couple of weeks if I don't do something now. When we start having the weather changing like we're doing now, the bees thinks it's springtime again. Well, they know it ain't springtime, but they know they can do something. This one here got all laid up. It's got some drone cells right there. So you figure 4 out of 4 of those 4 frames just got brood. This one here, they're fast tuning a little bit. You got eggs laid up in this one. So here's got eggs and larvae. The queen is somewhere. There we go. Okay, now what we're going to do, go put that one there. We'll put one here. We're going to put this one here in there. along the wall, and we'll see what they do with it for the next week. Got a lot of cleaning up to do on it. Put that there. We're going to pick this one up again. See if we can see the queen. There's that one. We're not going to put this one in the middle. We're going to put this one at the top, because it's got drone cells. She's not going to put any laying bees up in there. So we're going to take this foundation and come out the freezer. And we're going to stick it right here in the middle. That one over. We're going to take this one, which is a plastic frame. It's been waxed. We're going to put it right here. That way, she's got plenty she can do. The bees have got plenty they can do now. Because they were getting hot, I imagine. We're going to give some pollen here. There we go, girls. That's that. And we're going to take this one. Put right there. And I think what we're going to do, okay, this is loaded down with brood. This is one frame out the freezer that they're going to have to do a little work on. Clean it up. And another guy. We're going to talk about that yet. Okay, this is the one that had the drone cells in it. So we're going to put it there. And we're going to take this one here, which is a waxed foundation, and we're going to put it in the middle. And we'll be back in a week and see how they're going. But at least they shouldn't be too hot now. We'll give it some water. No bugs. There we go. I'll be back here tomorrow, maybe later this afternoon. Fill up their dish again. We won't video it, but we don't want them to run out of food. They got water, they got vitamins. Oh yeah, they like that. They got pollen now, they can grow bees, feed the babies. Okay, that's it, people. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I did. And we're going to go to the one next to this one, I guess. Got little baby bees in here, but we're going to close them down. And we'll mark on the top, mark with the book. And that'd be it. Now they're still down there. Yeah, they're bringing in pollen. Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. New week coming up. Be careful. And we'll talk with you later. Y'all have a great one. Bye-bye.